Newly appointed chairperson of Manipur Staff Selection Commission, in short Mssc, T. Ranjit has vowed to bring transparency in recruitment process for government jobs. T. Ranjit was appointed as a new chairperson of Mssc for a 3-year term on August 30th. Speaking to media after his oath-taking ceremony, Chairperson Ranjit gave his assurance to bring in accountability, transparency and corruption-free culture in recruitment process by Mssc. He said that the office of Mssc is currently attached to Imphal West DC. Therefore, it may take some time to revamp the infrastructure and staffs of Mssc. He further assured to recruit qualified youths based on meritocracy-based recruitment process.
Manipur Staff Selection Commission 2022 Sigi Makhada, at this or taking by the governor or the person authorized or appointed by the governor is required. Adigi matugina koisa MS Khan Special Secretary authorized Sigi Wasat Lovani. The term is for 3 years from the date of assumption of charge, that is from today. Is it am to me mandatory is regulation of frame to the Kaleva officially official temporary training center extension training center the DC office in Power building RDNPI for the time being government DC number the temporary office I on staff and established the woman saying then obviously have regulations the frame to one saying I have to do a lot of work and public talking has it about transparency like through this commission. At least I will try my level best. Higher authority concern addressing the Canada. Okay, at least public convenience, the transparency line now. Okay, because it was put the continue to have the message to